Hello class 6 students, I am your maths teacher Nitin. In today's class, we will start a new chapter, chapter 10, basic geometry. Now student, what is geometry? What is the meaning of geometry? Geometry is that branch of mathematics in which we study about shape, size, length and angles about the given figure. Okay? Geometry is that branch of mathematics in which we study about length, breadth, angles and the measurement of a given figure. Okay students, so it is clear to you what is geometry. Now there are certain terms that you will come across. We will learn them. What are these terms? तो पहली टर्म स्टूडेंट्स आएगी प्लेन. What is plane? What is plane? A smooth flat surface which is endless. Endless means it has no boundaries. Okay, no boundaries. अगर मैं लिख दूं no boundaries. A smooth flat surface which is endless, that means it has no boundaries, is called plane. Okay, it is clear, it's called plane. Now the next term is point. What is point? A point determines a location. अगर आपको कोई लोकेशन बताना है, then with the help of point आप लोकेशन बताते हैं. ठीक है, तो पॉइंट से आप लोकेशन बता सकते हैं. अ पॉइंट हैज नो लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. ओके, ये आप लिख लें, इट हैज नो लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. व्हाट इज पॉइंट? आप पॉइंट ऐसे तो लगाते हैं, स्मॉल, इट हैज नो लेंथ एंड इट हैज नो ब्रेथ. ओके, इसका फंक्शन क्या है, काम क्या है? दिस इज यूज टू डिटरमाइन द लोकेशन. हम किस पॉइंट की बात कर रहे हैं, किस जगह की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट अबाउट पॉइंट. नाउ व्हाट इज द लाइन सेगमेंट? नेक्स्ट टर्म इज लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके, व्हाट इज द लाइन सेगमेंट? नाउ बी केयरफुल स्टूडेंट. ये देखो हमने ड्रॉ किया, दिस इज ए एंड दिस इज बी. ये पूरा लाइन है. हमने दो पॉइंट है, एक इस लाइन के ऊपर एक पॉइंट का नाम हमने ए दिया और दूसरे पॉइंट का नाम हमने बी दिया है. ठीक है, तो ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट है जिसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ए है और एंड पॉइंट बी है, दिस इज नोन एज लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके, इसका एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होता है और एक एंड पॉइंट होता है. सो हेयर ए बी इज लाइन सेगमेंट. क्लियर है? पूरी लाइन में से एक पार्ट को हमने नाम दिया ए पॉइंट एंड बी पॉइंट, और ए और बी के बीच का जो लाइन का पार्ट है, दिस इज नोन एज अ लाइन सेगमेंट. क्लियर है? इसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होता है और एंड पॉइंट भी होता है. इज इट क्लियर टू यू स्टूडेंट्स? आप लाइन सेगमेंट को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? इस लाइन रिप्रेजेंट को हम लिखेंगे ए बी एंड यू विल पुट अ बार ऑन द टॉप. So AB, that means it is a line segment starting from A and ending from B. Okay, so this is line segment. Now next term is ray. What is ray? Okay, ray क्या होता है बेटे? A ray is a line which has a starting point but it has no end point. What is ray? A ray has a starting point but it has a no end point. A line segment which has starting point but no end point. Okay, दिस इज नोन एज रे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये हमारा लाइन सेगमेंट है, ये स्टार्ट होता है ए से, and it is going endlessly, इसका end कुछ नहीं है, तो we will say that AB is a ray, and how you will represent? You will write A, you will put an arrow like this, starting from A towards B, and it has no end point. Okay, तो ये symbol जो है, this is for ray. Clear है students? Good. Now one more important thing about ray. Suppose we have two rays, one ray starting from A and it is going towards B, so we will write this as A, B, starting from A, and we will put arrow. Arrow means it is endless towards B. Now if I write B, A and put arrow, this means a ray is starting from B and it is endless towards A. So both AB arrow and BA arrow, they are different things, they are not same. Okay, so be careful. AB means ray starts from A and it is endless towards B, and ray BA means it is starting from B and it is endless, it has no end point and it is moving towards A. Okay, now students, what is a line? A line segment which has no end point in either direction is known as a line. What is a line? A line segment which has no end point in both direction is called line. For example, this is a line segment students. Okay, ये line segment है. अगर हम इसको extend करते हैं इस तरफ भी और इस तरफ भी, now this become line. और line का students, it has no end point in either side. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे भी अनलिमिटेड है और राइट हैंड साइड पर भी अनलिमिटेड है, एंड वी पुट एरोज. दिस एरोज मीन्स इट इज अनलिमिटेड इन बोथ साइड. ओके, और हम कैसे लिखेंगे? सपोज इट इज ए एंड बी, सो वी विल राइट ए बी लाइन. लाइन के ऊपर हम एरो लिखेंगे पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स बोथ एंड. ओके, इधर भी एरो है, इधर भी एरो. दिस शोज दैट ए बी इज अ लाइन विच इज एंडलेस इन बोथ द डायरेक्शन. Clear about line? Now few more points. A line has no end point. A line has no end point in either side students. A line has only length and no breadth. Line पे सिर्फ length होता है, it has no breadth. Okay, it has no breadth. Always remember, it has only length, it has no breadth. Now an unlimited number of lines can be drawn through a given point. अगर आपके पास कोई point है, कोई point given है, you can draw students unlimited line passing through that point. एक लाइन ये चला जाएगा, एक लाइन ऐसे पास हो जाएगा. You have unlimited line passing through that single point. Okay, तो through one point you can pass as many as lines as you want, unlimited lines. Clear है? But if we have 2 points, then only one line can pass through that 2 points. अगर हमारे पास 2 point given है student, then only one line can pass through these 2 given points. Always remember. Clear? Good. Now come to intersecting line students. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines क्या होती है students? If I draw these lines A, B, C, D such that they are passing through one point, दो लाइन एक ही पॉइंट से क्रॉस हो रही हैं, then these two lines are known as intersecting lines. Clear है बेटे? These two lines are intersecting lines. Okay, suppose they intersect. This is point P, and through point P a line AB passing and CD is passing. So these two lines when passing through a one point, then these two lines are known as intersecting line. Now the next point is parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Parallel line. Students, any two lines, let's say AB and this is CD, are parallel if they have a uniform distance at every point. इधर जहां भी आप इसको मेजर करेंगे, you will get the uniform distance between these two lines and they will never meet to each other. Okay, they will never meet. First point क्या है? The distance between these two lines is same at every point. Distance between these line is same at every point. So the distance between these two lines is same at every point. Okay, इधर भी. Second point बेटे, parallel lines they never meet each other. ये कभी भी आपस में मिलती नहीं है. What is the second point? Second point बेटे, they will never meet. They will never meet each other. Okay, they will never meet each other. So parallel lines clear हो गया students? Good. Now parallel lines का student एक symbol है. How we represent parallel line? Parallel line are represented by this. हम इसको ऐसे represent करते हैं, ठीक है? Suppose AB is parallel to CD, तो ये हमारा जो ये जो symbol है, this is for parallel lines. Okay, good. Now student, next term is concurrent line. Concurrent lines. What are concurrent lines? If two or more line passes through one point only, then these lines are known as concurrent line. Suppose this is the point and the line is passing through these point, more than two lines, then all these lines are concurrent lines. This is AB, this is CD, this is EF, and this is GH. So all these lines are said to be concurrent line. Why? Because they are passing through one point, same point. इस same point को cross कर रहे हैं. Therefore these lines are known as concurrent lines. Clear students? Now good. Next is collinear point. Collinear points क्या होता है students? Collinear points means if two or more points, if they are in a same straight line, then these points are known as collinear points. Suppose this is A point and this is B point and this is C point and they are in same straight line. अगर आप देखें तो they are in a same straight line. So these points are known as collinear points. Okay? अगर आप ऐसे line draw करें, these are on the same straight line. Clear students? So A, B and C are said to be collinear points. Why? Because they are on the same straight line. Okay, good. Now come to the exercise 10.1, page number 124 of your book. Now question number 1 is, in the given figure name 4 line segment. आपको students एक figure दी हुई है. I will draw this figure for you. ये and ये. This point is Q. This point is S. This is P, this is R, A, B, C and D. Okay, now the first part is you have to name 4 line segments. 4 line segments are number 1 PR, P and R. This is one line segment and the second is QS. Okay, fourth one is PQ. PQ is also a line segment and the third one is PQ, and fourth one is RS. Okay, these are line segments. What are these? These are line segments. Okay, now 4 rays. B part of question number 1, you have to name 4 rays. So rays, we can say that starting point P, B. P, B is a ray. Why ray? Because it is starting from point P and it is endless. PB, similarly QD. QD is a ray. Okay, because starting point is Q and it is endless. Now third one is SC. Starting from S and moving towards C. C पे endless है, S से start हो रही है and it is moving towards C, endless. And the fourth one is RA. Okay, so these are 4 rays in this question. Now C part, 2 non-intersecting lines. जो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर रही हैं, 2 non-intersecting lines. तो 2 non-intersecting line, these are AB and QD. They are not intersecting, they are not meeting to each other, therefore these are non-intersecting lines. Okay, now come to question number 2. Question number 2, use the given figure to name a 4 point. Now question number 2, फिगर है, यूज द गिवन फिगर टू नेम. मैं फिगर ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं स्टूडेंट. फिगर इज समवॉट लाइक दिस. देन 1 point here and like this. Okay, now this point is A, B, C, this is O, E, and this is D. Okay, now A, B, C, O, E, D. This is your figure given in question number 2. Now they are asking 4 points. You have to name 4 points. To name 4 point means A is a point, B is a point, and C is a point, and finally O is also a point. So these A, B, C, O, E and D, all of them are points, and you have to name 4 points. So I have written A, B, C and O. Clear students? A line. Second, they are asking a line. Which is a line? So line is BD. Why BD? Because it is endless in both the sides. BD is a line. Three rays. You have to name 3 rays. 3 rays are starting from OB. OB ray है students. Then OA. Then OC. All these 3 are rays, right? 4 line segment. 4 line segment. Line segment. Line segment is OA, OB, OC and EO. Okay, 4 line segment OB, OA, OC and OE. Clear students? Good. Question number 3 students. Question number 3 first part A. Question is, how many lines can be drawn through a given point in a place? As I told you earlier, if there is a 1 point, so how many lines you can draw? There are unlimited lines, n number of lines you can draw through this given point. Okay, so your answer is infinite lines. Infinite line means countless. Okay, now B part, point A and B in a place. Now we have 2 point A and a B, 2 points A and B, how many lines you can draw through these two given points? So answer is 1. You can only draw one line from these two given points. Your answer is one line. Okay, clear students? Now come to question number 4. Question number 4, students, consider the following figure of the line MN. State which of the following statements are true and which are false. Now look at the figure in your book. Figure is a straight line. Okay, now you have few points on this line, P, O, N. P, O, N, M, Q. M and Q. These are 5 points on this given line. Now you have to give the true and false. A part, Q, M, O and P are the points on the line MN. It is false. All these points are not on the line MN. Okay, the line is QP. The line is QP and it is endless on the both ends. So you can say that Q, M and OP lie on that. The first answer, first statement is false. Okay, come to the second one. M and N are the end point of line MN. No, again it is false. You can clearly see these are no end points. M is one point of the end point of the line segment OQ. Line segment OQ, it is false. It is not an end point. Clear? Come to the fourth part. Ray OP is different from OP. Ray OP is different from ray OP. False. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. OM. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. OP is a ray and OP and second one is OM. This is true. They are not opposite. True. OM and OP. Okay. So students, your exercise 10.1 is over. Do each and every part of each questions neatly in your copy. Your copies will be checked by the teachers. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.